In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the mail category and turn off email categorization to get the old Apple Mail back on your iPhone. If you've recently noticed a change in your email app and prefer the classic single list view without categorization, you'll be glad to know it's easy to revert to the old setup. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, let's open the Mail app on your iPhone. As you know, the Mail app is your central hub for sending and receiving emails, and it's essential to navigate it comfortably. Once you have the app open and ready, you'll want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice an icon featuring 3 dots, commonly known as the ellipsis. This is your gateway to more options within the app. Now go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This action will present you with a variety of options, but what we're focusing on here is the list view option. Selecting list view is a critical step because this action removes the categories and allows all your emails to be displayed in a single, easy to scroll list. This view is ideal if you prefer seeing all your messages together, just like in the classic Apple Mail experience. Alternatively, if you find yourself at the inbox and see categories at the top of your screen, there's another simple trick you can use. Just swipe left on these categories. This gesture will reveal the All Mail option. When selected, All Mail provides you with the same single list view of all your emails, giving you flexibility in how you access the view you prefer. Now, it's also important to know that you can always switch back to the categories view whenever you'd like. If you find yourself missing the categorize setup, just tap the 3 dots once again, and this time select categories. This will bring you back to the modern categorization where your emails are sorted into various groups. In summary, navigating between the classic and categorized views in Apple Mail on your iPhone is straightforward with just a few taps. By tapping the ellipsis and selecting either list view or categories, or by swiping left to access all mail, you have complete control over how your emails are displayed. Whether you prefer all your messages in one convenient list or like them grouped into categories, iPhone Mail gives you the flexibility to choose. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated this process together. Remember, the power to customize your iPhone experience is at your fingertips. Have a fantastic day managing your emails your way.